Hi, I'm Ryan Valley, the barber, owner of His Touch Barbershop, and you're watching Kern Living.
The cornerstone to any strong community is oftentimes the barbershop. You get good conversation, community relations, all mixed into one building. Now I'm here at His Touch Barbershop on 8th Street, not only because I want to get more involved in our community, but your boy needs a haircut. I'm looking rough, so let's go inside. I have never been so excited to do an episode of Kern Living because, as you can see, my head needs it, but also coming to a barbershop is the best place to find community. And the first thing that I noticed when I came to His Touch Barbershop are the plaques on the wall. Can you explain to me what those are for?
So we have two plaques. One is for an outreach that we did, which was like a lowrider car show outreach. And what we do is we go set up at these events that we get invited to, and we give out free haircuts to kids and adults. And basically that's what we do. We go set up and we give out haircuts to people who normally wouldn't be able to afford us.
Right.
Because prices for a haircut now have gone up. So the other one is actually like really dear to my heart because it's from Sequoia Middle School. We go out there and what they do is they get like their troubled kids.
Right.
And typically these troubled kids come from, less fortunate families who couldn't afford our haircuts. And what they do is they call us, we go out there and we give all these kids haircuts and we get to just hang out with them, build relationship with them and bless them ultimately with a free haircut. And this is why I said that one's dear to me because I went to Sequoia.
Wow.
So when they invited me back, I was like, yes, I want to do this,
Yeah. And now that you're the owner of a barbershop, how is your personality implemented in the shop?
So for me, I want to create a safe place for anybody and everybody, no matter the gender, no matter the race, no matter walk, background. I want everybody to be able to come to a place, a safe place where they can get a haircut and they can leave not only feeling fresh and feeling good, but really deeply inside, like feeling good, feeling recharged, feeling rejuvenated, feeling encouraged, and ultimately just able to conquer whatever it is that day has for them. Because we all go through stuff every day. Other than looking good, you're gonna look good no matter what. Because you're not gonna get out of my chair looking ruggedy. It's not gonna happen. But yeah, that's ultimately my goal, is just to make people's day ultimately. So yeah, that's what separates us. We all, for the most part, everybody can cut in here. Everybody gets down. Everybody can do any style of haircut. You can come in here and get any style of haircut. We have a lady who also does women hair. She does color. We have we do designs. We do the basic haircuts. Everything that's up to date. Stuff that's in the past, flat tops. We can do it all. Facials. All the eyebrows, we do it all here. So it's not just myself, it's my team. And it does take a team to run a successful business. So.
Right.
Talk to me.
Oh my gosh, you saved my life. I don't look like I'm struggling anymore. I look like $1 million.
All right, we're His Touch Barbershop, located at 1115 8th Street. We're on the intersection of California and H. Come check us out.
And you can find us on Instagram at his_touch_barbershop.